In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online, QBO tutorial. Before we click around, a quick note on what you'll need. Make sure you already have a transactions file from your credit card provider saved on your computer. Common formats that work well include CSV, QBO, or OFX. Keep the file name clear and check that the date range and columns look correct so you're importing exactly what you expect. Let's jump in. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look over to the left panel and click on Accounting. This takes you to the area where your chart of accounts and transaction tools live. Once you're there, go to the Bank Transactions tab. This is the hub for connecting accounts and bringing in bank and credit card activity. Now, move your attention to the top right of the screen. You'll see the Link Account button. Right next to it is a small caret icon, which looks like a tiny downward arrow. Click that caret. A drop-down will appear with a few options. From that list, select Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks that you already have a file you want to bring in, rather than connecting directly to a bank feed. Next, QuickBooks will ask you to select the credit card account that these transactions belong to. If you already have that credit card set up in your chart of accounts, choose it from the list so the transactions land in the right place. If you're importing transactions for a brand new credit card, create a new account for it in QuickBooks first, so everything stays organized and separate from your other cards. Use a clear account name you'll recognize later. With the correct account chosen, it's time to upload your file. Click to browse, select the transactions file you prepared, and confirm. QuickBooks will read the data and get it ready for review. If your file is large, give it a moment to process. Keeping your file clean and consistently formatted helps this step go smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. From here, you'll be able to work with those transactions inside the bank transactions area. A quick tip as you wrap up, double-check that the date range you imported doesn't overlap with any previous imports to avoid duplicates. If you notice anything off, you can always remove and re-import the file with corrected settings. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps each time you need to bring in a new batch of credit card activity, and you'll keep your books accurate and up to date.